Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Ponpace Bamboo Electric Toothbrush Head. This is made of bamboo. It's a very nice design, as you can see. And in my opinion, I like this a lot more than the plastic by Sonicare. And by the way, this only goes with Sonicare, not Oral-B. So this is Philips Sonicare. They're basically the same in terms of dimensions and everything, but I'll show you here in a minute the differences. So stay tuned right here. If you haven't already, please press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's going to help out the channel, and subscribe for more videos. Let's go right into it. This is Ford. You get in there. And I will show you right here, this is right here, what is the specific models that this one does go into. Keep in mind, this one does go into other Sonicare products, but you're going to see here in a minute, some of these that are not these specific models, it won't be able to go into. So let's jump in. So you can see right here, this is one of the Sonicare models I have. And you can see right here, we have a Sonicare toothbrush head. Let's go ahead and zoom out right here. There is not much of a gap, as you can see, just a very little gap. And with the bamboo one, there is a larger gap, as you can be able to see, but it works perfect. So right here, there's not much more noise vibration or whatnot in comparison, but it does work, as you can see. So overall, if you like something that's not plastic but bamboo, a little bit more, I guess, friendly in terms of the environment. You can see here 6% plastic content. Highly recommended. The toothbrush heads, you can see right here, they are a little bit grooved, a little bit more designed in terms of that. But overall, I think it's a pretty cool product to own, and goes well with a Sonicare toothbrush. So with that said, I'll leave a link down below in the description if you'd like to purchase this item. Comment down below if you've tried this product or another type of replacement head. Happy to review it here on the channel. This one is cheaper than the Sonicare brand. So if you guys are looking to save money and help the environment, this is a good way to go. So with that said, thanks for watching. Comment down below if you have another suggestion for me to review here on the channel. Any questions, feel free to comment down below too. Happy to answer them. See you guys next time.